Do you have to go?
Hiccup, I'm a guardian now. I have rules and guidelines that I have to follow. I can't just ignore them when they call.
But I'll miss you.
You're so cute. I'll miss you too, but I'll be okay.
Promise?
I promise. It's just pitch. I'll see you soon, alright?
Okay.
Bye.
Careful.
I will. I will always love you, Hiccup.
I love you too, Jack.
Hiccup!
Merida! Merida! Have you heard anything?
They didn't tell you?
Tell me what? Where's Jack?
There was an ambush with Pitch. Jack didn't make it. No one told you?
What do you mean he didn't make it?
There was an ambush. He sacrificed himself. The Guardian sent me here to find you, to talk to you. I thought someone told you.
I can't deal with this right now.
Hiccup!
And promises, how to be brave, how can I love when I'm afraid to fall, but watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow.
I'm Jack.
I'm Hiccup.
I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. Time stands still, beauty in all she is. I will be brave, I will not let anything take away what's standing in front of me. Every breath, every hour has come to this. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years.
So wait, you've been hanging out with Jack Overland?
Yeah?
Why? The guy's so annoying. He's so full of himself.
I like hanging out with him. There's something different about him. And I feel like I've met him before.
You're insane. The guy's obnoxious.
To me, I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more.
Oh, hey Jack.
Hey, Hiccup. I was looking all over for you.
Yeah?
Yeah, I was wondering if maybe you wanted to make coffee sometime?
Well, I don't do coffee, but I could go for some tea.
I can do tea.
Right?
Are you busy right now?
No, classes are done for the day, so
You wanna go?
sure, why not?
Cool.
One step closer. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000. lives in